Hey gorgeous, here I am with a makeup tutorial. So let's just start and keep on watching. First I'm using Hangover Hydrated Moisturizer from Too Faced, available on Nykaa, and these are my primers which I'm totally and intently skipping it, rather fixing my moisturizer with Quick Fix Makeup Fixer by Urban Decay and let it dry for 2 minutes. Now I'm color correcting my face with Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sand and blending it with the PAC 219 brush. I used Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation and blended it with PAC Beauty Blender. This is my Ultra HD Concealer from Makeup Forever for highlighting my features, and it has such a nice and sheer coverage that it never let any cracks take place under my eyes. And for contour, I love using Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in the shade Chai. Now ladies, notice this unusual contour line I'm drawing to give a proper shape on my face. This varies face to face. How should you draw your contour lines? To learn that, join our upcoming 12 days bridal master course, start from April 16th. Gosh, now see how the shape of my nose transforms. Time for doing my favorite thing, that is to add tint on my cheeks, and for that I'm using NYX Powder Puff Lippy. Let this blend with the same damn beauty blender as I'm using so far. To set it up all, I have my Studio Fix Pressed Powder by MAC Cosmetics. Then bronzing on the same areas I had contoured previously with the Rene brush, and it has no number. Bronzing adds a warm tone on your contour, and with the help of PAC blush brush I'm doing my blush on. Before adding glow, I would like to set my base with makeup fixer. Then the time for most of all ladies' favorite, it's highlighter. And it is Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter from my Luxurious Bridal collection. And here I am doing my base makeup. Next, I just straight jump onto my eyes, and I'm starting it with drawing my eyebrows. Then I prepare my base for eye makeup. Before I apply any eyeshadow, I put some baking powder beneath my eye so that it can rescue with the fallouts. This is my very old Huda Beauty Rose Gold Texture palette. Taking a medium dark brown color from the palette, I have created my transition zone. The shade Moon Dust for the center of my lid, the brow bone, and the inner corners. As I want the main focus on eyeliner, I am keeping my eyeshadows not too much vibrant or dark, and for that I am using AMC 77 gel liner from Inglot. Be very gentle, be very soft while you're drawing a liner. Keep on practicing guys, only practice can make you draw a liner perfect. Look at the result, wow. Now with the help of the glitter glue, I'm applying glitters on top of my liner with angular brush, and I'm taking off the fallouts with the help of spoolie. For the lower lash line, I'm using the same shade from the same palette as I've applied on the top of my lid. I'm coating up my lashes with mascara. A detailed video of false lashes application will be uploaded, and the link will be mentioned in the caption, so find it out. Lastly, I have drawn my lips with a nude shade from PAC Cosmetics Lips Liner and coated up with my favorite nude shade from the MAC Cosmetics, Persistence. And here is the final look. So how's it guys? I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. Please like it, share it with your close one. Take my love. See you in the next video. Bye bye.